So I have all of the parts off that I need to take off of the engine so I can get over to Spokane so I can get it rebuilt. I've put this in front of my broken Mini. You can see everything that I've taken off at this point. So now I've got the engine up on our stand, up on our cherry picker here. We're going to go ahead and put it in the back of the truck. That will be step one of getting us over to Spokane and getting this engine rebuilt. And oh man, I cannot wait to hear what this sounds like and to see what it looks like. That wasn't too bad of a drop for a 1500. Okay, well, now I gotta kind of tilt this on its side and get the oil pan off. Nice. There we are. One last good look in its current shape, condition. We have it in. We have it in our Rumblebee. And we're going to be taking this to Spokane in the morning. And I'm tired of being eaten by bugs. And I didn't take the oil pan off. Hopefully they're not going to scold me. Scold me? Scold me? Scold me. Over at the engine rebuild place. So let's go get some rest, sleep, get up really early in the morning, meet our buddy Bob again, just like we did before. And we're going to do a short day mini trip and end it with steaks. Steaks. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's reset our trip. And we are on the road. Heading to Spokane, we're going to drop off this engine, our TNT, and we'll see what magic they can weave into it. All right, we got ourselves some gas. 24 gallons worth. Let's hit the road. Yeah, I won't be buying the large frozen Coke again, that's for sure. Holy crap. All right. We are on the road. Let's get going. We got millions of miles to go. Oh. All right. And it looks like it's going to be a little overcast. That won't be bad. I won't miss 90 degrees of weather and 90 degrees of humidity. Or is that percentages of humidity? Humidity units? I don't know. Whatever that is. All right. Let's just stop yapping and let's drive. So yeah, see, Eastern Washington, nothing but right. Yeah. Oh, hey, a lot of hay. Yeah, get to hay chief with it. Oh, I know, that's so awesome. You couldn't possibly do.
So it's been up all 14,000 feet.
Where we pull in. Where do you think we pull in?
I'll go over by the engines over there.
Alright.
I'll probably just unload you at that.
Okay, S&J Engines. Made it. Man, it's hot. Oof. Alright. Well, let's see about getting this unloaded and rebuilt. Yeah. Say hi, Bob.
Hello.
I'm unstrapping it now.
There you go. Alright.
That pallet just out of my...
Oh, you want to try to muscle it towards us?
Yeah, I think so.
It's got some weight to it.
Yeah. Here, let's, hey man. Yeah. We're gonna set it up on its pan there. And then we'll drive under it and pick it on the sides.
Oh, okay. So you just want me to fold it up right then?
You're not on it. You're not on it. Trying to get it towards me.
Well, I'm gonna have to Hercules it up there. You gotta put it back in.
Couple more inches. Oh, it's right at the edge, isn't it? Nice. Awesome, dude. That's right. Right on. All right, there we go. All right, pretty soon. There are a lot of engines. All right, let's walk inside and go get this done. Alrighty. The Behemoth. Doing the key black setup, purple something or other cam,
Yeah.
port polish,
As long as I can find them.
extra frosting.
Nice. I like it.
But nothing scary.
Nothing scary.
Nothing
Nothing
scary.
scary.
Nothing scary. Nothing scary.